In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the TradingView desktop app for Windows. Whether you're diving into data analysis or crafting your next big trading strategy, having TradingView on your desktop can streamline your workflow and give you more power at your fingertips. So let's get started on getting that installed. First things first, you need to open a web browser on your Windows PC or laptop. Feel free to launch any web browser you prefer, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once your browser is up and running, we're ready to move on to the next step, which is navigating to the TradingView download page. This is a straightforward process. Simply type tradingview.com desktop / directly into the address bar at the top of your browser, then hit enter. This will take you to the official TradingView desktop application page, where you'll find the download link for the Windows version. When you land on the download page, your next move is to click the button labeled Download for Windows. This action will initiate the download of the TradingView installer file to your computer. Now be patient while the download is in progress. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a minute or so. With the installer downloaded, it's time to locate the file. Generally, it can be found in the default downloads folder on your computer. The installer is usually a .exe file, so keep an eye out for that as you scroll through your recent downloads. Once you've found the installer file, double-click on it to begin the installation process. This will launch the setup wizard, which will guide you through the installation steps. It's a standard procedure where you'll follow a series of on-screen prompts. Usually these involve agreeing to the terms and conditions, as well as selecting your preferred installation location, if applicable. After you've followed all the installation prompts, the TradingView application will be successfully installed on your computer. You should now notice an icon for the TradingView desktop app either on your desktop or in the Start menu. Finally, to launch the application, simply double-click on the TradingView icon. Upon your first launch of the app, you will be greeted with a prompt to log in. You can use your existing TradingView credentials if you already have an account. If not, don't worry. You also have the option to sign up for a new account right from this screen. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the TradingView desktop app on your Windows machine, and you're ready to explore all its features. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.